Welcome to Rainforest Explorers, Jesus Leads the Way, our 2022 Vacation Bible School. We have had 20 children enrolled, several of them because of our parade invitations that we handed out. And we're so excited. We've had a great turnout, lots of fun children and enthusiastic volunteers. Even a few teenagers from our community who have helped out who are not members, and they're doing a fabulous job. A huge thank you also to Elda, Donna, and Jean for doing all of our iron-ons at the very last minute. A special thank you also for everybody who brought donations of food and people who helped come to decorate. We spent all day the Saturday before VBS, and this place is rocking the Rainforest theme. Thanks for everybody who's leading the groups, to all the teams, and it's just been a great, wonderful week, and thank you so much. A very special thank you to Thrivent Financial, who provided a card for $250 to help us put this wonderful VBS on. And I hope you enjoyed this video and the pictures, and thank you.
Jesus is my treasure, He leads the way, loves me without measure, He leads the way. When I'm feeling all alone and I don't know where to go, Jesus is my treasure, He leads the way. Jesus is my treasure, He leads the way, loves me without measure, He leads the way. When
Vacation Bible School, and let's ask some kids how they are enjoying VBS so far. Hey kiddos, I got a question for you. Are you guys enjoying Vacation Bible School?
Look at this.
What are you making? Band-Aid? What's your favorite part about Vacation Bible School? What do you like the best? You like playing? Yes. And eating, playing and eating? Are you learning about Jesus? Yes. You're trying to? Yes. Well, that's good. You're trying to sing? Yeah.
But I'm learning how.
But you're learning how to sing. Well, that's good. This is a good time to do it at Vacation Bible School.
I can't sing Elsa though.
That's okay. I don't know all the songs either, but we learn them together, right?